Nintendo Switch is well known as the best family console for a long time. With games such as Super Smash Bros and Mario Kart 8, the competitors have been kept well away and have not been able to keep up. It has made its mark amongst friends and colleagues who want to take their console with them to a stay over or even to their workplace for a quick game during lunch break. This is where PDP Gaming has created this for that stylish look and ease of transport. Firstly, it's important to talk about the price. This costs around £25, which is £15 cheaper than the Xbox Series S carrying case and the PS5 suitcase. But don't get too happy. This item is no longer on sale in high streets, so your best bet is to look on the PDP Gaming website, or on eBay you might find someone selling it for a pretty penny. Two things that you have to remember about Nintendo consoles and their products: they hold value and they are decently priced. There is not much in terms of packaging, and I think this is a great idea. The item itself serves as an advertisement for the product. With the lack of packaging, you are able to see the item and get a good feel of what you are getting into. Obviously, that is not the case when you're shopping online, but at least you can see what you are getting. At the front here, it just tells you what the case holds. So you got the dock, HDMI cable, the console, a Pro controller and AC adapter. That's all there is at the front. This is the quickest unboxing you will probably witness on this channel, so don't blink or you may miss it. All you gotta do is just lift this, pull that, and that's it. Unboxing done. But hold on, there's more to it. Let's talk about the features. This item is officially licensed by Nintendo, as are all PDP Gaming products. The outer shell is semi-hard and is certainly strong enough to protect the items inside in case of a fall. I wouldn't recommend you throw it. Your Switch definitely won't survive that, but in the rare case that it falls from your hand by accident, I think it is safe to say the items are protected. The straps are padded and are adjustable. You get one to carry and one to put around your shoulder. The carry handle is also removable from both sides. It features two cases in one, with a removable slim travel case. The removable travel case only carries the console and a few games, and yes, it fits both the old and new OLED Switch console. Inside the bigger case, it has these interchangeable accessory dividers which you can customize in any way possible. The way they stick to the side is by Velcro, and all the inside is the same material, so you can stick this on any way you want. You get 4 accessory dividers, 2 are the same length and the other 2 are different, so you get 3 different lengths here, so you can be a bit creative in the way you divide your stuff. In the bottom here, you have enough space to store a dock, a Pro controller, AC adapter, HDMI cords and extra Joy-Cons. There's plenty of space. This has a very nice feel, really smooth through the touch and a great comfort at the handles. It has a very good graphical look with Tom Nook at the front, and the different colour combination makes this product good eye candy. It is very well constructed, and I like how the detachable case holds the console and has space for a few games. With it being separate from the accessories, it serves as extra protection for the console, as accessories could scratch the screen or even worse, damage the console. The inside padding is really nice and gives the user confidence that it will have a good level of protection for the contents. The size is also a massive pro, especially when you look at the other console cases. I mean, the PS5 case looks like a suitcase, and who can be asked carrying a big heavy suitcase? Overall, I love this product. Can't fault it in any way, and the fact that it also comes in different graphic styles make this a to-get product. Actually, I lie. Only thing I can fault is that not all graphical cases will be made. So far, only 3 are available. This will leave people wanting other skins which are not available. I don't think there is a Pokemon case available. Would be nice to have one though. This is the unboxing beard, and we just unboxed the Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch carry case.